Hi, my name is Jeff, and today I'll be sharing with you a topic about a product called Cancer Guard. So this particular insurance coverage, is offered by Industrial Alliance, and it is known to be what's called a simplified issue. So simplified issue type of coverages are usually very simple to apply, a couple of questions, no medical exams necessary. As long as you satisfy the few questions that are given, you're pretty much covered. So what's unique about the Cancer Guard coverage is that it protects your finances in the event of you being diagnosed with a cancer. And the cancer has to be covered by the policy. So usually if it's like life-threatening or any type of other type cancers, it will be covered where it provides you a lump sum of money up to $150,000 tax-free. Okay, so imagine what you can do if you're diagnosed and going through treatment. It may be tough on your bills because the mortgage payments are still going to keep happening. The rents you still have to be obligated to pay for, so you can't just stop working. So if you're in the middle of recovery, this is a good plan to put in place where it can be quick, cheap, affordable, and again, up to $150,000. So what can you do with this money? You can do anything. You can use it to plan for family trips. Maybe you want to have long-lasting memories and take your family for vacation, or maybe you want to simply use that money to go back home and spend time with your relatives. You can even use it to seek better treatment outside of the province. So if there are highly new medications that are available but outside of the country, then this type of money you can use to pay for all of those things. So there are add-ons to this particular coverage, and additional add-ons. That means you can have what's called return of premiums. So return of premiums simply means if you've never made a claim, you can actually get back 50% of your deposits that you've ever put in. So it's a good way to at least give you that peace of mind, knowing that, hey, if you never end up using it, you can at least get some of your money back, okay? So other coverages would be, add-ons would be like stroke, heart attack. Those are other common critical illnesses on top of cancer, which is very common in Canada. So the other benefits are, it's ideal even for parents. If you're a parent and you want something quick and cheap, you can purchase it for your children, because if something happens to your children, you will probably need to take time off of work anyway, which means more financial stress and financial obligations just to take care of the child. So there's many ways that you can use with this benefit being put in place. Maybe you have poor health. Some people are scared because they might get declined. And even if you had been declined before by other insurance companies, this will guarantee some kind of issue, a certain amount. So you don't need to worry about, again, blood work, urine, medical exams. You just have to answer a few short questions. So one classic example I want to share with you today, based on the importance of having some kind of critical illness protection. I have a client whose parents were diagnosed with cancer. And this client was a very good saver. They have over $100,000 in their RRSPs, okay, 100,000. But because not all of the medications are covered by the province, this client had to start redeeming money through the RRSP. And that was a financial catastrophe, because RRSPs alone, as I've mentioned in my previous shows, whenever you withdraw money from the RRSP, it counts as income on top of what you're earning that year. So that means they're paying more taxes. That means the funds need to be depleted even quicker. So what they take into the bank account is a lot less than what they're withdrawing. And within a matter of 2-3 years, that $100,000 of RRSP became zero. So that is why it's so important, if you don't want to leave a financial burden to the ones that are taking care of you, or even you're taking care of those people, make sure you have your own critical illness protection. So that is what I want to share with you today. If there's any questions, feel free to email me below. Thank you for your time. I'll talk to you next time.